Установка и устранение ошибок NET Framework 3.5, 4.5.1-4.8 для Windows 7.
For Windows 7, 8, 10 installation was not completed due to an unknown error.
Здравствуйте,
Hello
уважаемые
dear viewers
зрители
of this
этого видео.
video. I'll briefly tell you the story of how I effectively eliminated errors when installing the .NET Framework to run the Epson Photo Plus program. Before that, I watched all the videos on YouTube about fixing .NET Framework installation errors. Having tried all the suggested tips that the authors offered did not lead to results, namely, installing certificates, renaming and deleting folders, blocking administration services, etc. Installing offline installers and programs, .NetFx35, NetFxRepairTool Windows Installer Cleanup 3.0, Microsoft Program Install and Uninstall, Meta. As it turned out, everything is brilliantly simple. You need to turn on the system and install all updates since the .NET Framework is part of the corresponding system or download the installer corresponding to the Operating System Service Pack 1, SP1, from the Microsoft Update website and install them immediately. Rebooting the system and constantly installing updates. Throughout the day, everything installed and updated itself and you don't need to download anything separately. Links to the Microsoft website will be in the description.